Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful thing for your garden. A simple solar water fountain, or it can be a bird bath. In the summer you can put it in your garden and the birds will be so happy. It will be so relaxing to watch. I ordered it online. I'll give you the links below. No electricity needed. It works with solar power. Installation is very simple and there are very easy and simple instructions to follow. It only took me 2 minutes to install. I'm really enjoying this in my garden, so I wanted to share with you all. These tubes are very lengthy, so I'm going to cut them. Here I cut the tubes so it fits into this container. I need to fill with more water. The fountain started immediately right after I poured the water. Actually, I'm going to transfer this into a bigger container later, so that the water will fall back into the container. This is just for now. It will not work on a rainy day or on a cloudy day because it is solar, and it doesn't work indoors either. The whole setup took me only 5 minutes. Isn't it so beautiful? What do you say? Thank you all for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook.